Hi Julian, I've heard you're working on power electronics simulation. What's so special about it?
Well, power electronics simulation is used to test controllers, and controllers need their inputs in real time. That means that the simulation models have to run in real time, and that you need a hardware which is capable of doing this computation, for example, FPGAs.
I've always heard about the acronym EPSS. What does it stand for?
That's our tool to do simulation of power electronics. Normally you have like your MATLAB Simulink model, which is not capable of running in real time. And then EPSS is our system where you just drag and drop one block, do some settings, and then it's fine to work on our hardware, for example, this Relaxio system.
And what are the fields of application for EPSS?
That's basically everything where energy is converted. For example, in automotive, charging and driving, or renewable energies, for example, or industrial applications like robots, driving belts, and so on.
Why should I use EPSS? What are the benefits of using it?
Well, actually, for simulation itself, it replaces the prototype hardware. Normally, testing is done of the controllers with prototype hardware. That's expensive and takes some time. If you use simulation, it's just a model. And if you want to do some changes, you change the model and that's it. And for EPSS, it's just easy because of drag and drop, and then it's good to go, so it saves a lot of time to you. Does this sound interesting to you? Then just visit our website or write us an email at electromobility@dspace.de. Thanks for watching.
DSpace, your partner in simulation and validation.